Hi, I'm Steve from Create Electricity and Plumbing. We're a team of qualified electricians and plumbers and carry out all aspects of electrical and plumbing works, from testing, inspecting, certifications, fault finding, emergency service, reactive maintenance, fuse board replacements, rewires, kitchens and bathrooms, sinks and taps, and all electrical and plumbing works, large and small, domestic and commercial. We pride ourselves on a friendly, personal service with courtesy, quality and above all safety at the very top of our agenda. We hope this gives you an insight into our company, and we look forward to hearing from you and assisting you with your electrical and plumbing works in the future. Give us a call for a free estimate, and together we can create electricity.
Create electricity!